Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to copy and paste layers on Alight Motion. If you want to copy and paste layers on Alight Motion, then here's how you can do it. First of all, open the Alight Motion application and make sure that you're signed in. Now click open a project you would like to work on, and once you are done, make sure that you've imported a video or a photo or any images you would like to work on with. After you are done adding a layer, go ahead and click on the layer on the screen or on your timeline at the bottom. In order to copy the layer, select the layer and tap on this two-folder kind of an icon and click on Copy Layer option. Once you copy the layer, go ahead and tap on the screen at the top and then click on the same button at the bottom and click on Paste Layer. As you can see that you have now copied and pasted the layer on your screen. So that is how easy it is. That is how you will be able to copy and paste elements within your project using Alight Motion. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you.